Frankenstein, get the strap. She's the Stitch and Styles guy. Dracula got that new dress, nail polish, and a pillow for her head. Laguna Blue watching horror movies with her 3D glasses. Claudine Wolf got the moonlight dress. You can be impressed. Spectra Poltergeist got that glamour. She's got sparkles all of her banner. Julia Yelps taking out a contact so she can be sleepy. Cleo Niall sleeping with his set. She's got the coolest set of slippers. Make sure you see the dolls of this Scary Sleepy set. Thanks. Bye, Monster High Love.